All right, y'all. So, welcome back. We are here in the kitchen. Me and my husband went to Big Lots, and I wanted to show y'all what we got from Big Lots before we get the day. Oh, I'm sore. Before we get the day started.
A popcorn.
We've been on the popcorn like no other. We have now got 2 more things
Caramel
of
gone.
popcorn. We ate all the caramel that we've been eating on. Don't eat all that one up. That one already almost gone.
We opened this yesterday.
We just got the thing of popcorn.
Not proud of it.
So this is the kettle
ain't ashamed of
corn
it.
one. Same brand, Stonehenge. We get it from Big Lots. It's $5 for the tub here. This is the kettle corn kind. It's like a sweet yet salty. It's like regular popcorn, but it's got the glaze on it. The glaze is something special on it. Then we got this mix here. A cheddar caramel blend. Okay? Blend of popcorn here in the Stonehenge brand. Same brand.
We probably thinking what the brand name is.
So they got, this one has
Stonehenge.
cheddar in it.
Cheddar
With the caramel.
Uh-huh.
Pretty tasty. They're really good. And I'm usually not a popcorn eater at all, ever. I don't really like popcorn, but these are really, really good. Then in addition to that, I also wanted to pick up a new mug. I got this cute little mug. It just says Rise and Shine on it. Super cute, aesthetically pleasing little mug. This was $4 from the Big Lots. Let me open the window so we can have a little more light. Let there be light by the Christmas tree. A really good deal if you're in the market and you need. I'm wrapped up, husband. You ain't. Husband, you can't. What are you doing with both of the popcorns?
Here, unwrap yourself first.
I'ma wrap
Before you
myself.
judge me, unwrap yourself.
You gonna eat up all the popcorn?
I brought this for us.
Ain't no for us.
So you don't want none?
Get the dog here. Put the popcorn, put the lid on the popcorn. Anywho, if y'all are in the market for storage, need storage, go to Big Lots. Go now. Go today. Go right now because they have a sale. And if you snooze, you will lose. I enjoy Big Lots. I get a lot of things from Big Lots. So I wanted to share this with y'all. If I can get, I need my husband's help getting these totes undone. So if you need storage, whether it be for Christmas decorations or whatever, clothes, switching from winter to summer clothes. Husband. So we have these collapsible ones that I got specifically for the Christmas decorations. These guys are rather cheap. They're like $8, $9 for these. And the plaid ones came like in a whole set all together. I think it was like $10, and then this one back here was like $5 or $7, something like that. So yeah, so we have those, but then we also got these totes here. So this red one is a 30-gallon tote, and then this gray one is a 34-gallon tote with the snaps on it. So the 30-gallon one is on sale for $10, and this guy here was $13. But they also have, is it 18-gallon ones, husband, that are $5?
18 gallons for $5.
They have 18-gallon totes that are $5 at Big Lots.
And they're actually all of them, not just the red ones. They put the red ones.
Yeah, in all colors. Yeah, but really good deal. If you need some storage at an affordable price, go to Big Lots. I mean, great price. You can't pass that up. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and share those things with you guys. If you are in the market for storage or popcorn, go to Big Lots. Can't go wrong.
Yep.
If you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss no more of this Vlogmas, girl. But yeah, so we're mushing a couple days together because your girl's been working like a freaking crazy person. It is unreal, okay? Hey girl, we are on the road to Snatchmas. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my waist trainers today. But yeah, I figured I would just show y'all how I do my waist trainers. like so. See, it gives us that cute little cinch in. Yeah, and then I just pull my shirt down on top of it. And there's that. I'll be back when we're doing something else because I'm about to sit here. I got my popcorns on deck. My cup of coffee is ready. And yeah, man, we'll pop back in a little bit.
You remember how I used to get the meal, get them little shake up things?
You know, I don't like the little water squirts. I like the little water shaker, the little powder.
The powders. So I mean, but Crystal Light pretty good because they not too sugary. Actually, let's check. Lemon iced tea, no sugar, 1 gram of carb, 10 packets in here. Get your life right with your water.
And I be drinking on the ones we got at home already.
But see,
you know, that's my kind of thing. I go peach mango green tea.
That's what I'm saying. So you know me, I like to grab like 12 of these, so I don't want to do that.
They have like energy in it. They don't have an energy one.
Boom, energy rush. What's up?
I don't know, what is that? Splenda,
It's sweet
orange,
with
citrus. That sound like it tastes nasty.
It tastes like medicine. Yeah. Water, and they got Gatorade Zero. Basically need something with electrolytes. I don't need no one.
Basically sound like I need to get the one from Walmart. We're in Publix, by the way. Not throw baby.
Peach iced tea is coming to the house. Peach mango green tea is coming to the house.
Oh no, where's caffeine?
Lemonade coming to the house.
Dude, you just said you don't want to grab 1 million of them. You grabbing 1 million already.
3 ain't 1 million.
Bro, we gotta eat. Drink all of them.
We got a lot of water.
It's 10. That's 30.
Okay, so
I want the one with the caffeine in it.
Well, see now, then that just add to the million.
You need to put one back.
Make your mind up.
You need to put one back.
Let me ask you a question. You like orange drink like that to get a citrus? All you seen was caffeine, and you was already ready to get this orange drink, and you don't even like orange.
They don't got no other caffeine.
They got grape with caffeine.
I don't like grape either. What that red one is? No, it ain't got. It's fruit punch. It don't got no.
No, it don't.
Okay. I was gonna get them from the Walmart, even though we hate the Walmart.
We just got done saying we don't want to go to Walmart. Go, baby.
But they got them great values.
But see, shoot, they got their own. Well, you don't like the squirts.
Don't give me energy. Them things is $4. These Mio Sport.
Look at you in get you one of these Propels, cause it's made electrolyte.
I tried the tea ones.
Alright.
I stick to some coffee for some caffeine.
Caffeine with green tea. That's the wild blackberry pomegranate.
That don't sound like I'ma like that.
Wild cherry cranberry.
If you're trying it and I'm denying it, I don't want that.
Look at you rhyming it.
So, it's a whole nother day. We just came from the gym. We are in Publix. Trying to get our healthy life together. Let's go look at that. What is salads? Trying to get our healthy life together because it's so pretty in here. Look at how pretty it looks. Like, the food just be looking so perfect. Perfect Publix. Hi.
Oh man.
We just came from the gym. Let's go look at the other ones. I don't necessarily want the salad, but it look nice.
What's going on, man?
Ooh, this maple mustard pork.
I said we get some of these meatballs.
You own these balls, ain't it?
Man, that one look deformed. Look at it. What's on stick? They fingering this. Yeah, let's try some of these meatballs. I'm gonna get some chicken fajitas.
You were just, wait a minute. So we gonna just eat meatballs? Meatballs and what?
I don't know.
Then what you mean?
We got all them vegetables at the house.
So we gonna have meatballs and vegetables?
Is there a rule that say you can't put vegetables with meatballs?
That's not what I'm saying, but like...
Yes, it is. We're gonna have meatballs and vegetables.
What, just balls? Like...
What you gonna put with them?
I don't know. They usually go with pasta. Spaghetti and meatballs.
Man, I eat meat. No cap.
We got Crystal Light, meatballs, pork tenderloin, stuffed chicken breast.
Stuffed chicken breast,
it looks so good.
And then guess what? It's all keto friendly. We need to go ahead and get back on it. So yeah.
Yeah, we do need to be better about what we're eating because we work out like mad people.
We just left the gym.
We just left the gym, yet and still, we still kind of smushy. We ain't right and tight just yet. So now we're gonna get some chili. Is that the $4 one?
$3.99.
Is that the $3 one? It looks pretty big.
This the $3.
Is it? Are they not the same? They look the same.
Sure enough. Oh, they is. They out. What small goddamn? Everybody spending $5. Definitely. I'm not finna eat no bread.
No, we don't need that.
Cause I need to watch my.
Trying to watch our figure.
Yeah.
But if you're ever in Publix, this cornbread is so good. Oh my God, it's so good. Do you want to know how many carbs is in this one little log?
Like 30?
God, no.
More or less?
75 grams
70?
of carbs.
See, this is what.
It's one
that right
little
there.
thing, and it's so good.
That's what messed you up. You think, oh, it's just a little small piece, but it's 70 to 75 grams of carbs.
32 grams of sugar is in that.
32 grams of sugar.
So you know it's good. It's so good.
Stupid good. But it's gonna stay with you for a minute.
It's gonna stay forever. Oh yeah, double chili.
I ain't gonna lie, baby, we can make our own meal prep, man. Ever want somebody with a meal prep? This is.
It's just about the same price.
It's the same price.
Are you gonna be able to carry all that?
Oh no.
All right, so we made it back home. I just took the dog out, so we got him eating back there, and I'm gonna keep working from the table today. We'll be back in another vlog, so stay tuned. If you haven't, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another vlog from me. And I will see y'all later. Bye.